Imagine waking up in a new country where the sun is shining, your workspace is a cozy cafe or a beachside hammock, and your daily routine mixes work with adventure. That's the dream of digital nomads, people who work remotely while exploring the world. And in 2025, some countries have become especially popular spots for this lifestyle. These places offer the right mix of affordability, good internet, culture, and community that remote workers crave. Today, I'm sharing the top 7 countries where digital nomads are moving right now and why these spots are standing out this year. Whether you're thinking about becoming a digital nomad or just curious about where remote work is heading, this list has something for you. 7. Colombia. Let's start with Colombia. This country has been quietly turning into one of the coolest destinations for digital nomads, and it's easy to see why. Cities like Medellin and Bogota have become hotspots thanks to their vibrant culture, pleasant weather, and very affordable cost of living. Medellin is often called the City of Eternal Spring because the weather stays pretty perfect all year long. Not too hot, not too cold. That's a big win for anyone who doesn't want to deal with extreme weather while working. Internet speeds in Colombia have improved a lot in recent years, and you'll find plenty of co-working spaces where you can plug in and focus. The cost of living here is surprisingly low compared to many other popular digital nomad destinations. That means you can rent a nice apartment, enjoy great local food, and still save money. Colombia also offers incredible nature just a short trip away. Think mountains, beaches, and even the Amazon rainforest. But perhaps the best thing about Colombia is the people. Colombians are known for being warm and welcoming, which makes it easier for newcomers to feel at home. If you want a place where you can work, explore, and meet friendly locals and fellow nomads, Colombia should definitely be on your radar in 2025. 6. Thailand. Thailand has been a favorite for travelers for a long time, but it's also become a haven for digital nomads, and it's not slowing down in 2025. Cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai offer an amazing combination of great food, affordable living, and modern conveniences. Chiang Mai, in particular, has a huge community of remote workers. You'll find co-working spaces everywhere, fast internet, and plenty of cafes with comfy chairs and good coffee. The cost of living in Thailand is really low, which means you can live comfortably without spending too much. Street food here is delicious and cheap, so you can eat well on a budget. Plus, the culture is rich, and there's always something new to discover, whether it's temples, markets, or beautiful islands like Koh Phangan. Thailand's laid-back lifestyle makes it perfect for people who want to mix work with relaxation. The tropical climate and friendly locals add to the appeal. In 2025, Thailand remains one of the top picks for digital nomads who want a vibrant but affordable base in Southeast Asia. 5. Portugal. Portugal continues to be a top destination for digital nomads, and it's easy to see why it's still going strong in 2025. Lisbon, the capital, has this fantastic energy that combines old-world charm with a modern tech scene. There are tons of co-working spaces, fast internet, and a welcoming community of remote workers from all over the world. One big reason Portugal stands out is its digital nomad visa. This visa makes it simple for remote workers to live and work in the country for up to a year. The cost of living in Portugal is reasonable compared to other Western European countries, and the quality of life is excellent. The weather is generally sunny, the food is amazing, especially the fresh seafood and famous pastel de nata, and the people are warm and friendly. Portugal offers a perfect balance between city life and outdoor adventure. You can work during the day and then hit the beaches or explore historic towns nearby. If you want to be in Europe but avoid sky-high costs, Portugal is definitely one to consider this year. 4. Mexico. Mexico is a fantastic option that keeps getting more popular with digital nomads in 2025. Cities like Mexico City and Playa del Carmen have become buzzing hubs for remote work. What makes Mexico so attractive is the low cost of living combined with an incredible lifestyle. You can rent a great apartment for much less than in many US or European cities, enjoy amazing food, and still save money. The culture in Mexico is rich and colorful, with festivals, music, and art around every corner. The climate is warm, and there are plenty of outdoor activities to enjoy. For adventure lovers, there's hiking, snorkeling, and exploring ancient ruins. Mexico's government has also made it easier for digital nomads by offering flexible visa options and making long stays possible. Another great thing about Mexico is its sense of community. Many expats and digital nomads are living here, so it's easy to meet people, network, and find support. Plus, Mexico's large cities have good internet and plenty of co-working spaces, so working remotely is smooth. If you want a lively, affordable, and culturally rich place to live and work, Mexico is definitely one of the top choices right now. 3. Estonia. Estonia is one of the most digitally advanced countries in the world, and digital nomads have noticed. This small northern European country has one of the best internet connections on the planet, making it perfect for remote work. The capital, Tallinn, is a blend of medieval charm and modern technology, offering a safe and efficient place to live. What makes Estonia unique is its e-residency program. This lets entrepreneurs from anywhere in the world start and manage a business online under EU regulations, without ever having to live there permanently. For freelancers and startup founders, this is a huge advantage. The cost of living in Estonia is quite reasonable compared to other European capitals, and the country's nature is stunning. Forests, lakes, and peaceful countryside all around. Tallinn has plenty of co-working spaces, cafes, and a growing community of remote workers. Estonia is great if you want to be part of a tech-savvy environment and enjoy a mix of city life and nature. In 2025, it continues to be one of the smartest and most convenient places for digital nomads to settle. 2. Georgia. Georgia is rapidly becoming a hidden gem for digital nomads in 2025. Located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, this country offers a unique blend of cultures, stunning mountain landscapes, and an incredibly low cost of living. The capital, Tbilisi, is a vibrant city with a growing scene of cafes, co-working spaces, and expats. The internet is fast enough for work, and the visa rules are very flexible. In fact, many nationalities can stay in Georgia visa-free for up to a year, which is perfect for long-term remote workers. Georgia's cost of living is one of the lowest in Europe. You can rent a nice apartment, eat well, and enjoy the city without spending a lot. Plus, the food is amazing. Think fresh bread, cheese, and lots of hearty meals. For nature lovers, Georgia offers mountains, hiking trails, and hot springs all close by. The country's warm hospitality and affordable lifestyle make it a top choice for digital nomads looking for something different in 2025. 1. Bali, Indonesia. And now, the #1 spot for digital nomads in 2025 goes to Bali. This island paradise has been a favorite for years, and it's not going anywhere. Bali offers the perfect mix of affordable living, beautiful nature, and a large, supportive digital nomad community. Ubud and Canggu are especially popular for remote workers. You'll find plenty of co-working spaces, reliable internet, and a relaxed vibe that makes working less stressful. The cost of living is low enough that you can enjoy a good lifestyle without spending a fortune. Bali's natural beauty is hard to beat. Beaches, rice terraces, waterfalls, and mountains all provide plenty of options for downtime and adventure. The culture is rich and welcoming, and there are regular events and meetups where nomads connect. Indonesia has also introduced digital nomad visas to make it easier for people to stay and work legally, which is a huge bonus. If you want a place where you can balance work and play in a tropical setting with a strong community, Bali is the top choice in 2025. So there you have it, 7 amazing countries where digital nomads are heading in 2025. Whether you're drawn to the mountains of Colombia, the tech-savvy vibe of Estonia, or the tropical paradise of Bali, each of these spots offers something special for remote workers. The key is finding a place that fits your lifestyle, budget, and work needs. If you enjoyed this list, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might be thinking about remote work, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Where would you like to work from in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.